Hi everyone, it's Miss Brenner. I'm here to talk to you about the information that has been released by the school district about September 3rd, which is tomorrow, Thursday, of 2020. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about our agenda since we will be in a red phase day and you will be zooming into the classroom for a asynchronous/synchronous day of online class. So tomorrow, if you are block 1, which is 9th grade, you will zoom into class from 9 to 10 a.m. The Zoom link is going to be included in the email that you are receiving along with this video, and the Zoom link is posted in our Schoology page along with in your calendar. So you click that link, you must be in the classroom at 9 a.m. We will be on Zoom from 9 to 10. And I will go over this agenda again with you tomorrow. If you are my block 2, which is science fiction, you will be zooming from 10:05 to 11:05. You will also have the link emailed to you along with this video. It is also on Schoology in our Schoology Zoom folder, and it is on your calendar. So from 10:05 to 11:05, make sure that you are on time. You will then we'll go over the agenda and we will work on the items together. As far as the agenda, in case you want to know ahead of time, we are going to complete the ERLA readings and quiz sets that are in the Activity 5 folder, and we will complete your video discussion. So at this point on Wednesday, you should have already recorded your discussion and uploaded it to the discussion folder. And tomorrow, you're going to have the time to comment on another student's video. So watch the video and then comment in a welcoming and kind manner, because we are working on practicing netiquette in case in the future we end up having more of these red phase days where you'll be online. I want to practice netiquette and proper use of the internet, and so that's why we are practicing recording, we are practicing uploading, we are practicing discussing, and I want to make sure that we have those skills prepared. Along with that, we will have 30 minutes of silent reading. That should be your asynchronous in the morning. If you do not get to this part of asynchronous, you can do it in the afternoon at the end of the day when you also have a time slot for asynchronous work. Or maybe you get ahead because you've already commented. You can do it while we are together. But we are doing 30 minutes of silent reading, and then you will log it on your silent reading log on Schoology. Alrighty. Along with that, I just want to talk a little bit about grades. Grades are recorded on Schoology and then transferred into Home Access, so I highly recommend that you check your grades on Home Access rather than on Schoology. When the grades are being checked on Schoology, any assignment that was like the slides are set up as an assignment, so that way you each get a set of slides, but the slides themselves are not graded. Your video and discussion are what's graded. So unfortunately, it kind of makes a mess in the Schoology gradebook, and it's kind of hard for you guys to decipher what your grade is. While Home Access, I cut that column out, and it scrunches down what your grade should be, so that way you can see your total rather than a whole bunch of numbers across the grid. Along with that, I'm asking for your patience. I know that it takes a little bit for Schoology to transfer grades to Home Access. And so it might be until next week that you start to see these assignments showing up in Home Access, such as the syllabus quiz that you should have completed this week, the About You video that you should have recorded and posted in the discussion, and then your discussion post that should have been posted in response to somebody else's video. Along with that, today, Wednesday, you should have completed your Wednesday creative writing, which will then be graded and uploaded into Schoology and transferred into Home Access. So it's a lot of moving pieces, so I ask for your patience and cooperation. We've been working together great as a team, and I'm just super proud of you guys. I know that this is a change. I know that this can be frustrating at times and confusing. I ask for your patience and that you send me an email if you should need anything. I ask that if you are having some kind of issue when we are together on Zoom, put it in the chat or ask to talk to me privately. If it has to do with grades or it has to do with something that's more just you personally. so that way we can address it individually rather than using our group time to try and address one singular problem. Once again, you guys have been great, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you guys on Zoom on September 3rd. My email is on the screen in case you need anything, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful evening. Bye.